Hello everyone. Today we will learn initial consonant blends PR. P makes the sound pa. R makes the sound r. Together makes the sound pr. Let us practice initial consonant blends of pr words. Propeller, 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 P-R-O-P-E-L-L-E-R, propeller. Projector, 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 P-R-O-J-E-C-T-O-R, projector. Prepare, 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 P-R-E-P-A-R-E, prepare. Promise, 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 P-R-O-M-I-S-E, promise. Prairie, 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 P-R-A-I-R-I-E, prairie. Officer, professor, officer, professor, P-R-O-F-E-S-S-O-R, professor. Propeller, projector, prepare, promise, prairie, professor.